It's my pleasure to be in part of this fantastic project, Bangladesh. I'm proud to be in this project, and I would like to thank Raja Kashif for inviting me to be in such a great song, Bangladesh. And I would also like to thank Sanjay Da for such lovely lyrics that he has brought for this song. And one thing I would like to say that I never seen such a devoted teamwork for this such a lovely project, Bangladesh. And again, I am proud to be a Bangladeshi.
We are working for a project named Bangladesh, and we are really proud to do such sort of work, as if I have done the composition, and Raja Kashif, who is absolutely a brilliant composer, he is doing all of the arrangements here, and the lyrics has been written by a famous lyricist, Debashish Majumdar, who is an Indian. But the thing is, we are all working together for Bangladesh. That's the patriotism.
Hello everybody, it's me Rubaiyat Jahan, and you're watching Apex TV, and I'm going to talk about the project we are doing now. It's a combined project, and it's a patriotic Bengali song, and this is going to be we are really proud to be part of this project, as there are many Bengali artists are here. And it's tuned by Sanjay Da, and the music composed by Raja Kashif. And there are so many good artists, Bengali artists. You're gonna hear the voice and you're gonna enjoy it, love it. And because it's gonna come out with the movie box level. So we are really looking forward to this song. Hope inshallah it's gonna be a good song.
I am personally very grateful and very happy to be included in this project, which is this song is composed by Sanjay Da, and the music arrangement has been done by Raja Kashif, and we are really proud and happy to be in this project, and as a Bangladeshi I am quite grateful to them.
Actually, I am really happy to part of this project. I would like to thank Raja Kashif, the composer. He's a very creative, innovative man, and I really feel happy to work with them. I would like to say special thanks for Sanjay Da, who make and who create this song for us, and we are all together, the most of the busiest popular artist of UK, and I'm really feel honored, I'm really feel privileged to part of them as well.
This is a song that I think is going to be something special in my career as well, and a song, a tribute to Bangladesh, a country that we all love, and a country that has done a lot for language, and has now at this stage in my music career, I think I need to salute every I would say easily I would say every Bengali artist, because the Bangladeshi community and the Bangladesh artists have given so much to the Indian industry, to the Pakistani industry. They've talented artists around the world. And I must say one thing, I'm going to say this everywhere where I'm going to do an interview, that the female artists in the Bengali community in the UK, hats off to them, they're amazing. I've enjoyed working with every single artist. Bahut surile, amazing, energetic artists, look great on the screen as well. The packaging is amazing. When you see this product come together, people like Sanjay Dada, who came to me and and said कि ये 5 मात्रा में composition बनानी है, 5 beat composition, and to have singers at that level to sing, it wasn't easy, and everybody put so much effort in. Hats off to them. It's something that's going to be a milestone in my career, and hats off to all the artists that are in here. Sanjay Dada, Mamun Bhai from Manaz Media, who've done a great job on the video as well.
I'm really very happy to be a part of this project, Bangladesh, which is composed by Sanjoy De and arranged by Raja Kashif. I'm really very proud.
It's really a great creation in music industry, I think, and I'm very proud and pleased as well that I'm a part of this great events, great initiatives. So I think as a patriotic person, this patriotic song will be amazed everyone actually. So I hope people will enjoy, and definitely it will be a milestone for patriotic song industry, especially for Bengali.
Hi, I am Nadia. I am feeling very proud to be a part of this project. So many Bengali artists are involved in this project, and this is a very beautiful song, and which is composed by Sanjoy De and music arranged by Raja Kashif.
I'm really glad to be a part of this song of the project, because this Bangladesh is our pride, and in England this is such a big project, and we not only 1-2 singers, we are so many singers are singing here and working together as a team, part of this song. So it's a really big dream, big project, and I wish the success of the project, and really proud to be part of the project.
Sa ni dha pa re ma ni dha pa ma ga ma dha pa ga ma pa ga ma re sa ni re sa re ga re ga re sa re ga re ga re sa sa re ga re sa ni sa
তোমার মাটি তোমার জল আমরা কেন বিভাগ করি
বাংলাদেশের জন্য কাজ করতে পারছি, বাংলাদেশের গান করতে পারছি, খুবই আনন্দ লাগছে। আপনারাও দেখবেন সুন্দর একটি প্রজেক্ট বাংলাদেশ।